Mr. KPA here with the KPA House of Knowledge. Hey, today we're going to take about 60 seconds to tell our young black children, all children, but black children too, in general, that they can build from nothing when they audit, pivot, build with God. You can build with nothing. If Mr. KPA can do it, you can do it.
Hashtag KPA House of Knowledge 60-second message to our young black children. Listen up, young kings and queens. You don't need perfect conditions to build something great. You don't need the biggest budget. You don't need the fanciest tools. You don't even need people to believe in you yet. What you need is an audit. Look honestly at what you do have. Your mind, your creativity, your hunger, your community, your culture. That's not nothing. That's everything. Then you pivot. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for the right moment. Shift your thinking. Turn your situation into your strategy. Then you build. One brick at a time. One decision at a time. One day at a time. And here's the most powerful part: you do all of it with God. Because when you partner with the creator of everything, you literally have access to unlimited resources. Some of the greatest architects, entrepreneurs, and visionaries in history built kingdoms from scratch. Your zip code doesn't define your ceiling. Your current resources don't limit your future results. Audit, pivot, build with God. That's the KPA way.
That's the KPA way.
And that's your inheritance.
Mr. KPA, have a blessed day.
Let me know
Bill.
if you need anything
Bill
else,
something.
please, Jerome.